Hey guys, Alex Ryan here. A common question I get asked a lot is, where do you find the best wholesale suppliers here in China? And one place I would recommend, there's two actual places I recommend, is dhgate.com. It's a web store. It's a really good web store. A lot of wholesalers on there, a lot of trustworthy wholesalers. Also going to the Yiwu Fair. Now you can get flights to the Yiwu Fair, and it's a wholesale market, really good place to go to. There's a lot of really good suppliers there that will give you some great prices, and the thing I love about it is you rent out a container then and there, a 20-foot container, and you go in the store like it's Christmas and go, I want 100 of those, 10 of those, 50 of those, and they'll pack it all in the container for you and even ship it to your country. So they're very accommodating, and they really want to help you. So guys, definitely check that out. The Yiwu wholesale markets, all right? You can get some really cheap flights there from most places, even Hong Kong, all right? So definitely check that out. Hope you have an awesome day, guys. Any other questions, please do comment or share this video, and yeah, talk to you real soon. See you later.